The Chevy El Camino, a legendary fusion of muscle car performance and pickup truck utility. A true icon of American automotive history, the El Camino has stood the test of time as a unique and stylish powerhouse that still captures the hearts of car enthusiasts. Starting with the design, the El Camino features a sleek and aerodynamic body inspired by classic Chevy muscle cars. From its aggressive front grille to its extended truck bed, it perfectly blends the boldness of a coupe with the practicality of a pickup. Whether you're cruising the streets or hauling cargo, the El Camino turns heads wherever it goes. Inside, the cabin delivers a retro charm with modern comfort. Premium leather seating, a vintage-style dashboard, and classic gauge clusters make you feel like you're driving straight out of the golden era of muscle cars. Some models even feature updated tech like touchscreen infotainment, Bluetooth connectivity, and premium sound systems for the best of both worlds. Under the hood, the Chevy El Camino has always been about raw power. With options ranging from a small block V8 to a high-performance big block engine, this pickup coupe is built for speed and strength. The roaring exhaust note and quick acceleration make it feel more like a muscle car than a truck. The truck bed adds a layer of functionality, offering decent cargo space for light-duty hauling. Whether you're loading up for a weekend project or carrying gear for a classic car show, the El Camino proves its versatility. In terms of driving experience, the El Camino handles like a true performance vehicle. With rear-wheel drive, precise steering, and a low-profile stance, it offers a smooth yet powerful ride. Whether you're on the highway or the backroads, the El Camino delivers an unforgettable driving experience. So, is the Chevy El Camino still a legend in today's automotive world? Absolutely! With its unmatched blend of style, power, and practicality, the El Camino remains one of the most unique vehicles ever produced. For collectors, classic car lovers, and those who appreciate muscle cars with a twist, the El Camino is a dream machine. That's it for today's review. Let me know your thoughts on the Chevy El Camino in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more classic car reviews. See you in the next episode.